Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a software which enables you to create a simple agent by using simple tools. And these tools are Fast API Service, LangGraph, and Simple OpenAI. So if you are looking to create a simple basic agentic software and you can also embed it in your own application, then maybe have a look at this AI Agent Service Toolkit, which is simply a framework to build AI agents or agentic software with the help of OpenAI. I haven't found any option of using it with any Olama based or local model. So at the moment, you would need to use OpenAI. That means that you would need to go to platform.openai.com and grab your API key, which is a paid option. Coming back to this software, as I mentioned, it is based on Fast API. Fast API is a web framework for building HTTP based service APIs in Python 3.8 plus. It uses Pydantic and type hints to validate, serialize, and deserialize the data. It also has a lot of other features which you can check out on their website. Plus, it uses LangGraph. LangGraph is a library within the LangChain ecosystem designed to tackle challenges around agentic software. LangGraph provides a framework for defining, coordinating, and executing multiple LLM agents in the chains in a very structured manner. And it's not a new software, it has been around for a long time, and I already have covered it, the LangGraph, in various videos if you're interested in learning more. Okay, so coming back to this AI Agent Service Toolkit, this has a lot of other features. So first and foremost, as I mentioned, it creates an agent on the foundation of LangGraph, which is quite customizable. And then it uses the Fast API service to serve the agents with both streaming and non-streaming endpoints so that you can easily embed it in your application. And by the way, this streaming is a new approach to support both token based and message based streaming. It also provides a very user friendly chat interface by using Streamlit, and that is what we are also going to do after installing it locally. It has an asynchronous design, which is a must for any agentic software, in my opinion, because it needs async await for efficient handling of concurrent requests. It also is going to use Llama Guard for content moderation. It's not available yet, but I think it's on the roadmap. You can also integrate it with Langsmith in terms of observability. You can install it with simple Python or you can install it with Docker. We are going to install it with simple Python, and I will be showing you step by step instructions as how to do it. Before I show you the installation, let me give a huge shout out to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to it in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to use a coupon code of 50% discount for you, which you can readily use in order to get a lot of affordable prices. So let me take you to my terminal, which is I'm running Ubuntu 22.04 and I have one GPU card of NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB VRAM courtesy Massed Compute. But as this is an API based one, so you don't really need that much GPU. Next up, let me create a virtual environment. I'm just using Conda to get it created. Let's wait for it to finish. And the Conda environment is created. Next up, let's git clone the repo of this toolkit. And I'm also going to drop the link to it in video's description. So it is all cloned and present on my local system. Next up, make sure that you go to platform.openai.com and grab your API key. Once you have your API key, simply run this command. This is going to put your OpenAI's API key in your .env file. So let me set my key and then clear the screen. So my key is now set in the environment. Let's now install all the requirements. So I'm just using pip command for that. Let's wait for it to finish. This is going to take a bit of our time. And that is all done. Let me clear the screen. Next up, all you need to do is to run this command in order to start the service of this toolkit. Let me run it. And as soon as you run it, it opens this window in your browser at port 8501 on your local host. It is simple Streamlit application. And if you just look at settings on the left hand side, you can either use OpenAI, which we are using, or you can even go with Llama 3.1 70 billion on Grok. But of course, you would need Grok's API key for that. You can stream the result or you can toggle it off. So I'm just going to go with the default one. If you click on the architecture here, you can see the architectural diagram which I already have shown you. And they have also have a privacy policy if you are interested. And then you can even view the source code which is already present in their GitHub repo from here. And now you can just start talking with it. You can ask it any question here. For instance, you can ask it, plan me a 2-day holiday in Sydney, and then it is going to plan the holiday for you. So Agentic software has gone in, it has searched the web, and you see that is telling us that 2-day itinerary, day one explores this and this, and it has very nicely broken it down into morning, afternoon, evening, and then similarly nature and culture. So it says that this itinerary offers a mix of cultural experiences, iconic sites, and relaxation by the beach. And you can also ask it any other stuff like give me a diet plan to lose 5 kg in a month. And then let's wait for it. It's an API one, so it takes a bit of a time to do the API calls and stuff. And there you go, it is printing out. I think okay, so all the day by day one. So it's not going to the 30 days, but it has just given you some of the day one, day two, and all that stuff. So, all in all, I would say that if you're looking for a basic implementation of an agentic software, then this could be a good starting point. But I won't recommend this in any production environment because I don't think so it is going to scale that easily. But one good thing about this is that if you can go to the source code from their GitHub repo, and I will drop the link in video's description, and from their source code you can just glean all the information, build your own agentic scalable application, maybe using LangChain or maybe not, and then you can just build your own. Um, but all in all, I think really good project, especially in terms of having a basic agent which can do basic agentic tasks for you. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If there is any other similar tool which you would like me to cover, please paste it in the comments. Happy to do that. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.